So today, you'll learn how to enter and exit split screen on your OnePlus 13. So you can do this in two ways. The first is by simply just launching an app. So for example, let's say you want to use Messages. So look for your Messages app and launch it. And then once you've launched it, you then want to open the Multiview window. So just open Multiview window like that. Whether you're using a gesture or you're using buttons, doesn't matter. Just open the Multiview window. Once you've launched it, you then want to tap on the three dots on top of it, like that. And then you want to select split screen. And then you want to choose the second app you're going to be using in split screen. So for example, I can scroll down and I can choose to use Netflix. So now I have two apps that are in split screen. So then I can use this line here to just drag down to adjust the view of both windows. So I can put it in the middle like that, or I can take it down. It's completely up to you on how you want to use split screen. So let's try with another app. Split screen, let's choose Gmail. So I can use Gmail in split screen, and then again, you can use this same handle to adjust the size of the split screen. So you can make one smaller than the other and vice versa. You can also choose to just put the handle in the middle so that both windows are the exact same size. If you want to exit split screen, just press on these three buttons here, and then you want to select full screen. Once you've done that, it will open full screen for that second app. Alternatively, if you want to use the other app in full screen mode and not that second app, then you just want to use this handle and you just want to drag down or drag up, and this will expand to full screen, thereby exiting split screen. Alternatively, you can also choose to enter split screen by using three fingers when you swipe down to enter split screen mode when you're in an app. And to do that, you actually have to enable this setting. So the first step is to launch the Settings app. And then in Settings, you want to look for Accessibility and Convenience and tap on it. And then you want to tap on Split View. Then you should see swipe up with three fingers to enter Split View. So just tap on the toggle and then it will be enabled. So now you want to start by launching an app. Again, let's use Messages. Then you want to swipe up with three fingers like this. And then you want to select your secondary app. And then you'll still enter split screen view. Again, use the exact same way to exit and adjust the screens to your liking. So you can use the handle to adjust the screens, and then you can also just swipe up or down and to exit split screen. So it's completely up to you to decide which option you want to use to enter split screen mode on your OnePlus. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.